When it comes to finding the right refrigerator for your kitchen, there are a myriad of options to consider, but the Frigidaire FFHT1835VB stands out for several compelling reasons. This 30-inch top freezer refrigerator combines style, efficiency, and practicality in a sleek black finish that can complement any kitchen decor. With an impressive 18 cubic feet total capacity, this model promises not just to meet but to exceed your refrigeration needs. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or someone who loves to entertain. One of the most significant features of this refrigerator is its space-wise system, which includes 2 full-width glass shelves in the refrigerator section. These shelves are not only sturdy but also offer flexibility in arranging your groceries, making it easier to organize and find what you need. The visibility through glass shelves means you can quickly spot that jar of pickles tucked away at the back without having to move everything around. Moreover, the freezer compartment hasn't been overlooked. It features a full-width wire shelf, allowing for a decent organization of frozen goods. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who like to stock up on frozen vegetables, fruits, and meats, ensuring that everything is accessible and in plain sight. Another thoughtful design aspect is the reversible door, which offers flexibility in placement within your kitchen layout. Whether your kitchen design requires a left or right swing, this model accommodates your specific setup, ensuring that it fits seamlessly into your space. The Frigid. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.